All right, this is the last notes for Algebra D, page 6, questions 18 through 20. We're asked to find the experimental probability. So that means that someone already conducted the experiment where they rolled the die 30 times, and the results were they got 4 ones. They rolled 2 6 times, 3 times, 4 8 times, 5 5 times, and 6 4 times. So this was given to you in information. And A asks you to find the probability of 5. Well, 5 was rolled 5 times out of a total of 30. So we can simplify that to 1/6. The probability that we will roll an odd number, so 1 was rolled 4 times, plus 3 times for 3, and then plus 5 times for 5 out of the total of 30. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 5 is 12 out of 30. I can divide both of those by 6 and get 2/5. So the probability of an odd number is 2/5. The probability of rolling a 4 or 6. 4 was rolled 8 times. 6 was rolled 4 times out of a total of 30. So again, that's 12 over 30, which equals, again, 2/5. Probability of rolling a 1, 2, or 3. 1 was rolled 4 times. 2 was rolled 6 times. 3 was rolled 3 times out of 30. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 3 is 13 out of 30. Now we have matrices operations. We're going to add these two matrices together. What you're going to do is you're going to add the numbers that are in similar positions. So 3 is going to be added to 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 you're going to add to -1. 6 plus -1 is 5. -1 plus 6 is 5. -3 plus 0 is -3. -5 plus 2 is -3. -1 plus 3 is +2. And this is your new matrix. This last one, you're going to multiply this matrix by 5. So that's just like distributing it to each number on the inside. You're going to multiply by 5. So -5 times -3 is +15. -5 times 0 is 0. -5 times 0 is 0. And -5 times 5 is -25. That is that matrice operation. That's it for the notes. Good luck on your tests.